So guys, it's really simple. Go to left side, right click, track operation, insert a new track, then go to open other, color, press on open. By default it's transparent. Then left click, drag and drop to the timeline. Now we have our transparent background. Select the transparent clip, then go to filters, or from up here select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for text. Let's select the text simple, delete the default text. Let's add the text you want, then check use font size. To change the text style, click on here, robot black, then the size like 400, then press on OK. Position the text. Let's delete the outlines, thickness 0. Now to add drop shadow, select the text simple, then click on this button to copy the filters, press on OK, then click on this button. Now we have our duplicate text. Select the first one, font color, change it to black, press on OK. Now change the position a little bit, click on the up arrow. Now move to the left side, same. Now the shadow is too harsh. To make it soft, click on the font color, change the alpha channel from 255 to like 170, then press on OK. Now to make it soft, click on this plus icon again, then search for blur, Gaussian blur, click on this up arrow to move it up, increase the amount, and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can add drop shadow to our text in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.